Hi guys, Rook Knight here. I'm going to try picking this Master Lock Pro Series for you. I'm not really sure what kind it is. So anybody can make out what that might be on the bottom there. It had a lot of damage. It got used a bunch of times, I'm sure. I don't even have a key for it, to tell you the truth. But let's see if I can pick it. It's kind of a big deal. I've been able to do it a couple times off camera. And this is like the hardest lock I was able to pick so far. I'd be super proud if I could show you guys. And we got it, guys. Woohoo! Alright. It was awesome. It's the hardest one I've ever picked so far. And we did it. Thanks for watching.